So the cost of converting that customer goes way down.
Okay.
This is Expert Perspective by Martin Gobot Company. It's daily, so subscribe if you like it. We're not scared of you, so comment if you have something to say. We like you. Are you a liker? Like this episode if you like it and you're a liker.
Welcome.
Google remarketing ads. Remarketing ads essentially mean you take an audience that you already marketed to, you have them in an invisible database, and you show them another ad. You show them another ad after showing them something in the past. So you have a cohort here that did an action on your website, like signed up for a free guide, and then Google will show ads to those 10,000 people saying, hey, you had this ad, and then you say blank. Here's the second part of the guide. Here's the third part of the guide, whatever. So you can take people they've already marketed to and market to them again and know that you're going just to them. Why is this worth talking about? Well, because someone that's you've already marketed to, they probably have a more trust in you. They probably know about you already, and it's easier to convert them to buying. So the cost of converting that customer goes way down. That's why you do Google remarketing ads or any remarketing ads if you do it smart. You could waste a lot of money on it, but you can convert at a higher rate for cheaper and get more ROI.
Martin's glued coins onto snail mail brochures and manage $250,000 marketing budgets for small businesses. From citrus sellers to surgery centers. He pulls no punches on our website or any of our content when bragging about how to do what we do well. Follow, like, subscribe, or do whatever, wherever you want. We have a podcast, Alexa Flash Briefings, Facebook, TikTok, and all that. And if you decide to partner with us, you know you'll get to relax since we've got that 100% 5-star review and success rate over all the years we've been around. What are you saying there? Martin's glued coins in a snail mail brochure? What does that mean?